Hello, everybody. Today we're going to open this one up. It's A959B, and I don't know what the purpose for this is. It's in a styrofoam box wrapped in packaging tape. And the only thing I can figure is I ordered an extra battery with this car. So maybe when they opened it to put the extra battery in there, they tore the box up. I don't have any idea. It's not supposed to be used, and I'll find out, I guess, when I get it opened up. So we'll see what happens. Okay, according to the package on this one, it's a A959B WLtoys. Get my magic unboxing tool, and okay, there we are. And indeed, it was a WLtoys A959B. So we have the radio, the car manual, and a little four-way wrench. There's like a couple of body clips on this one. There's a couple of body clips on the wing. And wow, that's got that I'm pretty sure is a 540 motor. That's a pretty big motor for this little car. It says headphones on the side. Don't know. Well, let's see what we've got. Okay. Independent suspension front and rear. That doesn't appear that there's any oil in the shocks. Little steering servo. Pretty soft tires. We'll see what those things do. So anyway, this is kind of quick. I'm running out of daylight. I'm running out of time. It's got dog bones on it. It's got steel dog bones on both sides on the front, and steel dog bones on both sides in the back. So I like that. You know what? There's a little dribble of oil right there. So it may very well be that you can add oil to these shocks. And that's another thing I will check out and see. Has a little steel bumper on the back. Oh, actually aluminum bumper on the front and the back. So all in all, it looks like a fairly high current ESC with the 540 motor. I suppose it would need that. So I get a chance in a few days, I'll give this one a test drive, and we'll see where this one goes in performance wise. And on the radio, we have looks like a throttle trim and a steering trim. Doesn't appear to be dual rate. Has a, I don't think that's a real antenna. Pretty sure that's just a dummy antenna. So I don't know. I see no point in raising that thing up. I'll confirm whether it is a real antenna or not and get back with you. Let's see what we're using for batteries for AA. So I'm going to have to invest in a battery company or something, or get some rechargeables. It's got a foam grip on there, just a single-sided. So anyway, I'll in a day or two, when I get time, I'll take this thing out and give it a test drive. Okay, today we're going to do the A959B running on a 2-cell LiPo. And I don't know what headphones translates from in Chinese, but whatever.
So we'll go do a couple of speed tests without GPS, just trying to see what it does. Oops. Try to do a speed run coming back by this way. If it gets traction, it pulls the wheelie. If it doesn't get traction, it turns. I don't know what the top speed is. I will get a GPS on this and see what it's doing. Wow, a little too much traction. Oops.
I'm actually going to include this little piece of footage where it jumps the GoPros.
Oops. I think it jumped the GoPro. Oops.
Okay, I'm going to wrap this up for now. I'll give you some final thoughts on this. It seems to be a pretty durable little car. It's not for running in the grass, although I didn't show any footage of it in the grass. Um, it's a little too close to the ground, which also you can, on some of the jumps, you can hear a little bit of chassis slap. That can be remedied, both of those, by putting some larger tires on the car. If you put a little taller tire on the car, the chassis will not bottom out. The suspension will bottom out before the chassis hits. If you put taller tires on it, it will actually handle grass better. So I've got, it's got 7mm, I think it is, hexes on it right now. That's what the rims are. And so I have ordered a set of 12mm hexes I'm going to put on there, and a set of larger tires I'm going to put on there, and then I'll do another test on it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold off on the GPS test for now, and when the new stuff comes in, I'll test it with the GPS. I'll test it with the stock tires, and I'll test it with the taller tires and see if there's any difference in the speed. There should be a little faster with the taller tires, and I'll actually do a run in grass with the short tires and the tall tires at that point, but that's going to be in another video. I'm going to fill the shocks with oil, put the taller tires on it, do another complete video with the mods on it. It's got a 540 motor in it, so I don't think a brushless is going to make any profound difference in this car. It's already pretty fast. It's a little too fast for some situations. The other thing is, and in the next video I'll go over this in a little greater detail. There is no adjustment on the toe on the tires, and I'm going to see if there is an option for that. If not, I'll make an option for that. But the tires are towed out just a little bit, and I'll go into more detail on what that means in the next video. But kind of keep an eye out for that, and sometime in the near future. I'm working 1 week intervals, so that's about as fast as I can get the videos out. Starting in another month or so, I'm going to have more time at home, so I'll be able to get on the videos a little quicker. But anyway, I think you'll like the next video. It's going to be all about doing some modifications on that car to make it better, to make it handle better. Both of those are a plus. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up for now. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Give me some questions in the comments below, and I can see if I can answer them. So anyway, everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.